There comes a moment in life when you realize you've forgotten everything your boss just said. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain decided to take a vacation mid-meeting. And that's exactly where this tiny hero enters. Today, we are unboxing the Plaud Notepin AI voice recorder, a device so powerful it doesn't just record audio. It listens, it understands, it summarizes your life better than you can. Basically, this is your brain's external hard drive. I open the box, expecting something normal, but what I find is suspiciously tiny, like, this thing can change my productivity? Tiny. Inside, we get the sleek Plaud Notepin recorder, cosmic gray finish, very I attend serious meetings vibe. Charging cable, magnetic pin/wearable attachment, user manual, which we will ignore until something goes wrong. And I'm sitting here thinking, how is something this small about to expose all my forgotten ideas? This is not your average voice recorder from 2005. This is an AI-powered voice recorder, plus note taker, plus translator, plus summarizer, plus life assistant. Let me repeat that. It doesn't just record, it thinks. Here's where things get wild. The Plaud Notepin comes with AI transcription. Converts your speech into text automatically. No typing, no effort, no excuses. AI summarization. Turns long, boring meetings into short, useful notes. Support for 112 languages. Yes, 112. This recorder speaks more languages than most of us can pronounce. App control, smartphone integration. Manage recordings, view transcripts, edit summaries, all from your phone. At this point, this device is basically doing your job. You press record, and suddenly, this tiny device becomes the most attentive listener in the room. Captures clear, high-quality audio, designed for lectures, meetings, interviews. Picks up voices like it's eavesdropping professionally. If someone whispers, this thing is like, I got you. Now let's talk storage, because meetings never end. This device comes with 64 gigabytes internal storage, which means hours upon hours of recordings. Enough space for lectures, business calls, ideas, random thoughts at 3 a.m. Basically, you can record your entire career. The Notepin is designed to be magnetic/wearable, small enough to clip or pin, lightweight and discreet. So yes, you can walk into a meeting looking normal, while secretly recording everything like a productivity ninja. Once connected to the app, boom. Your recordings turn into full transcripts, smart summaries, organized notes. You're no longer just recording audio, you're creating searchable, editable, usable information, which is honestly unfair to people still using pen and paper. Let's break it down clean and powerful. Product name, Plaud Notepin, AI voice recorder, non-S version. Color, cosmic gray. Storage, 64 gigabytes internal memory. AI features, speech-to-text transcription, AI summarization, smart note generation. Language support, 112 languages. Connectivity, app control, iOS/Android compatible. Recording type, high-quality voice recording for meetings, lectures, interviews. Design, compact, lightweight, wearable, magnetic pin style. Use cases, business meetings, college lectures, content creation, interviews, personal notes. Battery, rechargeable, long recording session supported. This thing saves time like a productivity superhero. AI summaries are insanely useful. Supports 112 languages, global domination unlocked, super compact and portable. But you might become too dependent on it. Requires app plus AI features, not fully offline magic. And yes, it might expose how useless some meetings are. After using this, you realize something. You've spent years forgetting ideas, missing details, rewriting notes, and now a tiny device just fixed all of it. This isn't just a recorder, it's a memory upgrade. So this is the Plaud Notepin AI voice recorder, a device that listens better than your coworkers, remembers better than your brain, and summarizes better than you ever could. And honestly, if this existed during my exams, I might have been a genius. So here it is, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Wise, and I will see you in the next one.